Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to download Instagram Reels videos. So let's get started the video. At first open the Instagram app and find the reel you want to download. Once you are on the reel, tap the three dots at the bottom right corner of the video. Copy the link from the menu that appears. Select copy link. Now this will copy the URL of the reel to your clipboard. Now open a web browser and go to a reel downloader site like Insta Downloader or Save Insta. There are many websites that allow you to download reels, so choose one that you are comfortable with. Now on the downloader website, click here and paste the link you copied into the provided field. Now tap download. The site will process the link and you will see an option to download the video. Tap download again to save the reel to your device. So there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.